Assalamu alaikum, Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. I do hope you're having a relaxing and enjoying each and every day of Ramzan as it is passing through. I just thought I'll share two aspects of fasting, one of which is discussed at quite high lengths within the mosque, within the community centres, and that is the spiritual development of Ramadan, how you can actually improve your spirituality and how you can actually attach yourself close to the religion. The second aspect of Ramadan, which is not discussed in too much of a detail or in depth, is a medical aspect. So today I'm going to be talking about what are some points of the medical issues centered around fasting and how we can actually learn from fasting through a medical perspective. First of all, as you know, fasting is actually abstaining from food and drink during the morning, from morning right up to the sunset. And fasting is an important part of the Islamic religion, and it has been going on for the last 14 centuries. Now, some of the health aspects which I want to discuss are as follows. First and foremost, you need to remember that fasting actually reduces the insulin resistance. What is happening is basically fasting manages glucose and cuts down the sugar levels, and also is insulin resistance as well. So it actually lowers your blood sugar level. So those of you who are diabetic and who do want to fast, my suggestion would be to speak to your GP or speak to a health practitioner and see whether they will recommend you to fast or not. So this is one of the important aspects of fasting. It actually maintains your sugar level and normalizes your sugar intake as well. So it also improves the blood sugar levels in the long run. The second most important thing about fasting from a medical perspective is actually promotes fat loss. Now, during the course of Ramadan, the intake of food, the intake of carbohydrates, the intake of proteins is very limited. So you are not consuming as much food as you do as comparison to the remainder of the 11 months. So basically, there's a reduction of body weight, and there's also the reduction of fatty materials building up around your body. So this is another aspect, another medical aspect, and a beneficial aspect of fasting is basically you are losing weight throughout the next 28-29 days of Ramadan. Also, fasting also enables your digestive system to improve. As you are not taking food and drink, it actually balances your digestive system. So basically, the mechanics of the digestive systems are not working as they are normally working. And when it's not Ramadan, for example. So during the course of Ramadan, the activity, the mechanics of the digestive system is reduced. There's lack of activity taking place in your digestive system. So your digestive system is also improving. Also, you need to bear in mind that if you are suffering from any inflammation, for example, there might be inflammation in and around your body in certain aspects of your physique, then inflammation is also reduced because of fasting. Also, from a medical perspective, those people who have a higher blood pressure, because of fasting, your blood pressure also improves. So the blood pressure, whether you're on a higher level or lower level, by fasting, you are actually improving the circulation of your blood, and your blood pressure also normalizes due to fasting as well. You also need to remember that your heart activity during Ramadan is significantly improving, simply because there's a reduction of food again, and which means there's a decrease of bad cholesterol, which builds up around your body, and the body actually metabolizes sugar and reduces weight in around your heart as well. So basically your heart muscle becomes more stronger, and there's less bad cholesterol building up in around your body as well. A couple more points which I want to discuss regarding the medical aspects of fasting. One of which includes is detoxification. Now, detoxification means to clear out any poisonous material which has built up in your liver, in around your digestive system, in around your kidneys. So by fasting, you are clearing out any poisonous substances which may have built up over the last few months or so. So fasting actually clears out all the poisonous substances in around your body as well. And also fasting also improves the brain activity. As you will be aware that fasting is abstaining from food and drink, and while you are abstaining from food and drink, your cells within the brain are rapidly increasing. So basically, because the cells are increasing, the functioning of the cells become more active during the course of fasting. So basically, there's an increase of the cell activity in around your body, and this will help to improve your memory and also improve the sharpness of memory as well. And finally, another aspect of fasting is it actually reduces the effects of aging. Due to scientific research over the last 20-30 years, they have found that people who are fasting, there is a reduction of effects of aging. So these are some of the aspects of fasting relating to the medical profession, and relating to the benefits of fasting during Ramadan, and how they are interlinked with the medical perspective. So I do hope you have actually had an opportunity to gain sufficient information which will be valuable for you if you are fasting, and if you are not fasting for whatever reason, this information will also be beneficial for yourselves, your family and friends. So enjoy your week, and I do hope that you will enjoy the next couple of weeks of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.